Hi, today I'm going to be demonstrating a Ridgemonkey Connect toaster frying pan. So this is it, Ridgemonkey Connect toaster frying pan. So you got a neoprene pouch, which I shall remove. There you go, that's that. And then this is the actual monkey man itself. So I'll just show you what's in it. So you've got, I'll leave it to do that. Right. So that's the handles. So I'll take that off. Second handle, that one's got a repair on it because it fell apart pretty quickly. So glue a screw and it'll fit. And then on here you've got all your utensils that you need for most kind of cooking with its Ridgemonkeyness going on. So right, these just fit on like this. So, back to front, don't do it back to front. There's a reason. So they fit on like that, and just push the button in like that, and then when you close it, they got little magnetic pieces here to hold it all together. So if you're using it to make a toasted sandwich, something like that, so then you can shut it. Equally, they come apart in a certain way like that, so you can use it as two separate frying pans, which is handy. It's non-stick, so pretty durable. It's definitely a knack to doing this bit. Oh, shidashi! I got it. So right, so that's a bit grubby. So always keep some kitchen towel handy. Which this has been washed, believe it or not. Travelling around a bit, no doubt. So, right. So that's that. Again, same each side. Blah blah. So, okay. Right, so now canister's in there. Click down on that, and then light the flame. There you go. Right, okay. So get a bit of heat into the micro camper, and start this heating up just slightly. Right, so I've got all the usual safety stuff in here: fire blanket, extinguisher, CO2 alarm, and I shall crack the window open a little bit in a moment. So yeah, we have everything we need. So just get some ingredients out the fridge. So I've got some bacon, some hash browns, some mushrooms, and eggs. Of course, eggs. So well, that's started heating up, obviously. And I shall use my little spatula just to... Oh, look at that, lovely! That is super hot, super fast. Wow. Oh, yeah, that's nuts. Right, so let's turn that down. Put some bacon on. And crack a window open. Or two. So you can tell I'm making this up as I go along. I'm going to turn that down even lower. Wow. That's amazing. I'll put some hash browns in. And they've come out of the fridge, but I think I let it set a little bit too low, so they're a little bit on the frozen side. Never mind. Never mind. So I'm going to shut that because it's nicer. Alright, so I've got some eggs to hand. Put the mushrooms in last. How's it looking? It's not quite so mad now. I'm parked on a bit of a slope, as you can see, and I've been too lazy to level it. Wow. Don't know about these hash browns. I think they're going to take a while to cook. Now if I'd thought more about this, I would have levelled it. But I didn't. So I haven't. So I'm just going to cover that up again. So still gently cooking. So not sure about these hash browns from frozen. Probably not a good idea. They're cooking. They're cooking. Ish. Falling apart and cooking. Yeah, yeah. So I should let that carry on doing its thing for a bit, and yeah, so obviously, as it says, it's a compact unit. It's they're pretty popular, pretty well built. They do all sorts of different pots, frying pans, deep cookers, you name it. It's out there somewhere. Yeah, so ideal for a smaller vehicle like this one. Apparently it's good for cooking omelettes, pizza, pasta, toasted sandwiches, because you can literally make your toasted sandwich with any filling in there and then close this down and let it do its thing. Same with pizza. Yeah, good for fried breakfasts amongst other things. And cinnamon buns. Did I say cinnamon buns? Sounds like a porno star, doesn't it? Or porn star, yeah, one of those. Yeah, what else is it? So it's obviously non-stick. I think it's demonstrated that quite well, because it went a bit mad, didn't it, on the beginning there. But yeah, and that is on very low, so it's pretty pretty quick cooking on there. It's literally on the lowest I can get it. I'll shut that for a bit, let it just sizzle away. Trying to think what else I can say about this useful device. Yeah, I have used it. This is probably about 5 years old or something. I've never actually demonstrated this. I'm just demonstrating a few things in here that might be useful for you. In a micro camper, because its size, it's ideal. It folds right down, and obviously you put it in that pouch, and it's just finished cooking, and use kitchen towel to clean up, easy enough, and just wash it now and again when you need to. Yeah, what else can I say? I think that's probably about it. But yeah, so oh yeah, the cost, I think they're about £30 now. They do vary, but yeah, it's about the right figure. I'll just open up again, see how that is doing, give it a little bit of a fandandoogie. Alright, look at that. Put that. I've managed to level it off a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. This is obviously all cooking nicely. Oh, yeah. Sorry about my fingers everywhere. I should have bought more mushrooms, but that'll do. Right, so how's it cooking under there? Yeah, it's looking alright. So I'll put that there, and that there, and I'm going to squeeze. No, I'll put it down the bottom. That'd be a rookie mistake otherwise. Right, I'm going to try and fit an egg or two, just there. This is my fancy egg box, as seen here. It's just a plastic container, and it's just saves you smashing your eggs as you're travelling around the countryside. Alright. So I think this is the medium of the Ridgemonkey toaster type fandangos. So yeah, it's good enough for one breakfast, I'd say. I would have put a couple of eggs in there, but I don't fancy my chances. What do you think? No, that would just look like a total mess then. So yeah, just let that do its thing for a little bit. And turn it up just a tad, not a lot, just to encourage that egg. Oh yeah. Good. Right, so that's almost done, I would say. Right, we've got a bit of eggage going on here. It's formed an attachment. Oh, I can't have that. Can't have that. No, not having it. Get off. Sorry, watch me play with my eggs. There you go. Right, I'm just going to close that to just cook that egg a little bit more. Got to find a Branston. Oh no, HP. Where's the HP? Aha! Yeah, found it. Right, I would say that is ready to serve. Complete with runny egg. Right. So, here's the money shot, as they say. Nicely cooked, ready to eat. I shall now serve up. So that's all nicely cooked and steaming, ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Goodbye.